and at 9 o'clock today I cook the fried rice with chicken and shrimp. I have rice, soy sauce, prawn seasoning, oyster sauce, garlic, and bean sprout, and oil, egg, bean and corn.
It's actually snow peas and corn.
Green bean, red pepper, carrot, mate.
And what kind of oil you have there? That's the canola oil.
Yeah, canola oil.
Okay.
You can use any oil.
You can use any oil.
And shrimp and chicken.
Okay.
I marinate with the egg white and cornstarch.
Not a whole lot of oil there, just enough to kind of get the pan wet enough to put the rice on there without sticking. Put some shrimp in there. And some of the chicken. You want to start with the meat first, just because you don't want, you know, any of the bloody contents to mix in with the rice. Turn on the fire just hot enough. The 6 is what we have on our stove here, so he has it up to 5. Once the chicken and shrimp is cooked, or close to being cooked, you just crack the egg in there. Next will be the vegetable. It needs to be cooked, and you can see that he just has enough to kind of serve up to maybe 2 people. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit so the rice gets in there in the pan. Add some soy sauce in there. Looks like maybe a tablespoon there. Some oyster sauce to get the nice flavor. And some of that browning sauce. Can I see that real quick? The browning sauce. And this is where I picked it up in the market. This also gives some color to the rice. A little bit too much here, but good enough. Remove some of that extra soy sauce around the browning sauce. Trying to make sure none of that rice will overflow. Actually looks pretty good. Smells good. Some of the greens in there. Looks like you have some carrots in there, chopped up. Is the carrots mixed with anything?
Yeah.
With what?
Onion.
Some onions?
Yeah,
Onions and carrots mixed. Pretty colorful right now. And then it's going to add some garlic. Some extra tang to it. I've actually been doing this for a very long time, and it shows that it works. And just the last thing would be the bean sprouts. You know, it's pretty raw. Actually, it's going to put a pinch of salt really quick, some extra flavor, and then top it on with some bean sprouts. You want to kind of put that last because you don't want to overcook the bean sprouts. Some folks like the bean sprouts really crunchy. Obviously, you like it more soft and keep it in longer cooking. I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Harry, that's it.
That's it.
All right, there you have it. So we have the chicken and shrimp fried rice at NiagaraCook.com. So what Nia's done basically is took a, I guess a styrofoam ball here and create the shape just for the look of it. Obviously you can use something else, but this is pretty light to kind of hold. So
Here you have the fried rice, chicken and shrimp. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.